Welcome to Hyphone, a leader in excellence for pneumatic tools. With over 40 years of experience, we are more than just a manufacturer. We are the most trusted partner for professionals. Hyphone boasts up to 70% vertical integration. From R&D and in-house manufacturing to rigorous quality control, we ensure every product delivers ultimate precision and production efficiency. Our core strength lies in innovative R&D. For instance, our industrial-grade triple hammer mechanism and aluminum revolution allow tools to reduce weight by 20% while delivering powerful torque and significantly lower vibration. Whether for OEM or ODM needs, Hyphone provides durable, professional tools tailored to you. Hyphone, engineered to outlast. At Hyphone, we don't just build products, we build the future. Partner with us and let's reach new heights together. Hyphone, empowering industry, defining excellence.